we had discussed that what can be the advantages of a new entrant in the market. और जब हमने न्यू एंट्रेंट के एडवांटेजेस की बात की उसमें एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हमने एडवांटेज उस वक्त डिस्कस किया था एंड दैट वाज ब्रांड लॉयल्टी. हमने कहा कि वी अर्न ब्रांड लॉयल्टी if we are a new entrant. Let's see what actually brand loyalty is. Brand loyalty, I'm reading from your screen, is saying brand loyalty is defined as positive feeling toward a brand and dedication to purchase the same product or service repeatedly. When we have a psychological feeling for a particular brand, let's suppose you say, I buy Samsung and I like this because this is a fine product, this gives me solution to my problem, this gives me whatever I want, and if I have to buy another one, I'll buy the same brand. If I have to recommend to somebody, I'll recommend this brand. So we have a psychological attachment to a brand. And that brand can be a service shoes or Bata shoes, that can be a Seiko watches, that can be a Samsung phone, that can be HP computer. We have some psychological attachment to these names. वो जो attachment हैं, these attachments are sometimes positive, sometimes negative. If these are positive, we call it as brand loyalty, or we believe that people who are loyal to the brand, they will be repeat buyers. They will buy again and again and again, and it will be hard for them to switch to other brands. So that is the concept of brand loyalty. Now, let's take example of Apple. We discussed about Apple products earlier. Again, we are discussing with reference to brand loyalty now. The company holds an effective brand strategy which allows it to have a passion for its products. People have passion for its products. Some people, they are so committed that they wait for a new Apple product and they'll buy it. So anything with Apple brand, they will like to buy it. That is their level of commitment. But why? It says because they guarantee the high quality of every product they have to offer. They innovate and they do customer research and innovate the product. उनकी product innovative होती है, उनकी product high tech होती है, उनकी product जो है वो assurance देती है to the buyer that this will be a quality product. Because of these reasons, people have a very strong loyalty. So world में इस वक्त जो बड़े बड़े ब्रांड हैं उनमें से जो सबसे ज्यादा ब्रांड लॉयल्टी जिन ब्रांड के साथ है उसमें से one of them is Apple. Let's see another one. Nike. Nike, we all understand this is a sports products manufacturer. Very famous Nike shoes, everybody knows. In the year 2013, Nike was on the top of the list for the most intimate relationship of the brand among 18 to 34-year-old. Most intimate relationship. Most intimate relationship means people say, I love Nike. I miss my Nike. I cannot move without them. I cannot feel comfortable without having this brand. That is the level of commitment which people have with Nike. And again, why? Because company has shown to the buyers in the past that we are consistently a quality product company. We deliver what we commit. We give people whatever they expect from us. So we meet and we exceed the expectations of the customers. we deliver according to the customers' expectations and our promises, and we are consistent. That's very, very important thing. Brand loyalty होने के लिए consistency बड़ी जरूरी है. Quality and consistent quality. So we discuss these two brands which are holding the top level brand loyalty. Now question is, how can we develop brand loyalty? क्या क्या तरीके possibly हो सकते हैं brand loyalty के लिए? पहली बात इसमें जरूरी है कि there should be a regular, a very intimate, very personal level communication between buyers and brand, buyer and the company. Company should have regular communication with the buyer, and this communication can be through various ways, like example of Apple, Facebook, Google. Now they allow brand to talk with the people in their messaging app. People think that this is like our friends. Like Google, लोग कहते हैं Google is my friend. If I have a question, I ask from Google. Google answers me. So I have a personal level relationship with Google, with this brand. This type of personal relationship that is converted into brand loyalty. Then personalize everything. जो कुछ हम प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, जो कुछ हम बना रहे हैं, कस्टमर को ये फीलिंग होना चाहिए कि this is for me. My company cares for me. My company thinks about me. My company considers my problems. And that is being personalized for everything. बड़ी interesting example जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूंगा. Uber, we all know, cab services. फिर आपको Uber ने फूड सर्विस भी प्रोवाइड करना शुरू कर दी. आपने खाना मंगवाना है, Uber को कॉल करें, they will deliver food to your point. But अगर इसी को further extend करें, and let's say Uber for a haircut or Uber for makeup. You are a lady, you want to go for a party, for wedding. You don't want to go to a beauty parlor which is very far from your place. You might not have even a car. So we have, let's say we have Uber makeup. We call them, they will come to your place, they will do makeup for you. They can do haircut for you. Think of this kind of things and personalize it. And people think you are like my family, you are like my friend. You are there when I call you. You are there when I need you. And last thing, that is use technology to develop a relationship. We should have strong relationship with our customers and use technology. There are technological developments now, technological instruments available now, technological tools available. Have regular, intimate communication and relationship with your customers. These all are the techniques to develop brand loyalty.